Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? Now, beginning with the chapter introduction, health and disease in human community are very complex issue with many interconnected causes. To dwell upon these issues, let us first try to understand the basic functioning of human body. In chapter 1, that is the earlier chapter, you have earlier studied that all living organisms are made up of cell and cell is the basic unit of life. So these cells are made up of variety of inorganic, that is water, mineral gases and salt, and organic chemical substances like protein, fats or lipids or carbohydrates. So each cell in fact is dynamic place as something or the other is always happening in it. For instance, cells regularly receive material from extracellular fluid outside environment and also regularly discharge certain material. So they move from one place to another. Even the cell do not move, still undergoing repair. New cells are being made in the tissue or organ of the human body too. Many specialized activities are going on. For example, the heart is continuously beating, the lungs are breathing to provide oxygen to the body cells and simultaneously removing carbon dioxide out of the body. And kidneys are doing their function and different organs are being doing their function. So we can say all the organs they are interconnected. If kidneys do not properly form urine, poisonous substance will start accumulating in the body, and under such circumstances hence, we can say if the kidneys they do not properly form urine and poisonous substance will accumulate under such circumstances, the brain will not be able to think properly. For all such interconnected activities, body need energy and also require regular supply of raw material from outside the body. In other words, regular supply of food is necessary to the body so that prevent proper functioning of the cells, tissue and organ. And he is saying anything in the body, like if there is any impairment, that also can be recovered. So in this chapter, what we will be studying in the detail, that is health and its failure, disease and its causes, types of diseases, means of spread of diseases, principles of treatment, principle of prevention, and some common microbial diseases. Now, first of all, what is health? You understand that health means being healthy. Some says that I am doing all my regular activities okay, then I am healthy. So health is a level of functional or metabolic efficiency of a living organism. In human, it is the general condition of a person's mind and body, usually meaning to be free from illness, injury or pain. So it is said as in good health or healthy. So, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Now, what we say physical, mental, and social well being? Physically means there is no disease. Mentally means he is able to do all the works or means mental health is proper. And socially means he meets other persons regularly and have good relationship. So and it does not have bad name in the society. So that is physical, mental and social well-being that relates to the good health. Now next is health and its failure. So health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. As I told you, the condition necessary for good health are: number 1, good physical and social environment; number 2, good economic condition; number 3, social equality and harmony. Now, good physical and social environment include clean surrounding, good sanitation, proper garbage disposal, and clean drinking water. Now, if we talk about good economic condition, it include a job opportunity for all for earning to have a nutritious food and to lead a healthy life. And if we talk about the social equality and harmony, They are necessary for healthy and peaceful life. Now, if we talk about the disease, what is the difference between the healthy and disease free? Some think that they are the same thing. No. So we should be clear what is the difference between healthy and disease free. So healthy, it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being, and disease free means he is only physically fit. We don't know about the mental and social well-being. So it is a state of absence from diseases. Means he is only physically fit. We don't know about the mental and social well-being. Second, healthy mein, it refers to the individual physical and social environment. Whereas disease free, it refers only to the individual. Third, the individual has good health. Disease free, the individual may have good health or poor health, because we don't know about this two more terms, that is mental and social well-being. Okay. Now, when a person is affected by disease, either the normal functioning or the appearance of one or more systems of the body changes for the worse. So these changes give rise to signs of the disease and called symptoms. Okay. So on the basis of symptoms, the doctor conclude which type of disease we have. So if we talk about the signs and symptom, what are the signs and symptom of a disease? So symptom indicate the presence of disease. Like the symptom, if we talk about the symptoms, they indicate that there is some abnormality in the body. For instance, we have headache or cough or loose motion or wound with a pus. So all these are the symptoms of some disease. Headache may occur under stress such as examination stress or days heavy work or problem of eyesight or blood pressure, or it may be occur due to the number of diseases like malaria, typhoid, jaundice. So symptoms do not give any exact cause of the disease. So on the basis of symptom, the physician do the following. They look for the signs for a particular disease and they get laboratory tests done on the patient to further confirm the disease. Now if we talk about the signs, they provide information about the presence of a particular disease and they are distinct for different diseases. Okay. Now if we talk about the difference between symptoms and signs, symptoms indicate the presence of disease and signs, they provide information about the presence of a particular disease. Second, symptoms, these are the manifestation or evidences of a presence of disease of various body parts, and signs, they are distinct for different diseases. So in your mind, it must be clear what is healthy, what is disease free, what are the signs and symptoms of a disease. Okay.